Here's how I earn money using this cool tool called ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool based on GPT 3.5 that enables users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. This tool has a wide range of applications, including writing YouTube descriptions and scripts, generating content, creating AI art, and even coding. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can automate your content creation process, saving both time and money. In fact, this entire video might have been generated by ChatGPT itself. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. To get started, you'll need to create a free account with ChatGPT. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed to the main page where you can begin utilizing the tool's features. The first step is to find a blog topic within your niche. To do this research, conduct keyword research using hsupertools.com, an excellent free SEO tool for discovering low-competition keywords. Create an account on the website, access the SEO section, and select the keyword research tool. Enter your niche keyword, such as affiliate marketing, and click on Search. The tool will provide you with a list of keywords, along with their search volume, competition level, and CPC. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition. For example, a keyword like affiliate marketing Amazon has low competition but a high monthly search volume. Copy this keyword and create an article around it using ChatGPT. Head back to ChatGPT and type list of blog topic titles related to, followed by your niche keyword, and press enter. In just a few seconds, the tool will generate 10 different topic ideas related to your niche. If you want additional ideas, click on the Regenerate Response button. The second step involves obtaining your blog outlines. Choose one of the generated titles, type outline of blog post for the following title, and add your selected title. Press enter, and after a few minutes, ChatGPT will automatically generate an outline for that specific title. Next, you'll need to acquire the outline content. Copy the first part of the blog outline and type "Provide the blog section of this outline." Paste the first part and press enter. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate the introduction of your article. Copy the generated text and paste it into a new Word document. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Return to ChatGPT and type "Provide the blog section of this outline" again. This time, copy the second part of the blog outline and paste it before pressing enter. Copy the generated content and paste it into the Word document as well. Repeat this process for the remaining outlines to complete your blog article. After creating the full blog article with ChatGPT, it's important to convert it into a human-generated blog if you want it to rank on Google. To do this, copy the entire content, visit DupliChecker Article Rewriter on Google, and select the first website. Scroll down and paste your content in the text field. Tick the "I'm not a robot" checkbox, then click on Rewrite Article. After a few minutes, the tool will automatically rewrite the entire article. Copy the rewritten content and paste it back into the Word document. To ensure that your blog truly appears human-generated, you can use a tool called HuggingFace.co, an AI content detector. Copy a few lines of your blog post and paste them into the text field on HuggingFace.co. After a short wait, the tool will provide a percentage indicating how human-like the content appears. It's ideal for the content to be at least 90% human-like to pass as genuinely human-generated. Once you have a human-generated blog, the next step is to publish it on Medium.com. Medium is a widely used for blogging platform that can help you reach a larger audience and gain more visibility. It's free and available worldwide. To publish your blog on Medium.com, create an account on the website. Click on the right button located at the top right corner of the page. Copy and paste your blog post, including the title, into the editor. Add a featured image related to your niche from free image platforms like Pixabay or Pexels.com. Insert multiple affiliate links within your blog to increase potential commissions. Medium's built-in link insertion feature makes it easy to add links. Simply highlight the desired text, click on the chain icon in the editor toolbar, and paste the affiliate link in the URL field. Once inserted, the highlighted text becomes a clickable hyperlink directing readers to the destination URL. Remember to disclose the presence of affiliate links to your readers, both in your bio, at the top of your post, and within the body of the post. It's worth noting that Medium has a built-in audience, and its algorithm helps surface high-quality content to readers. Ensure your post is well-written and informative to maximize its reach. To enhance the visibility of your blog, drive traffic through social media promotion. Share your blog posts on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!